I will now show what is needed to run Turtlegraphics under Pascal on the TI-99/4A by using the classic 99 simulator. First, this takes, of course, a certain filers in the system. We can go to the filer, look at the volumes we have. Number 9 is Turtlegraphics. So if we list the content of number 9, we see we have a file called Turtle Unit Code. That is the unit that supports Turtlegraphics, and then there are a number of turtle test code that shows what you can do when you have this unit available. First thing we need to do is to make sure that we have a prefix set to number 9, so that the Turtlegraphics file is, the Turtlegraphics disk is the standard disk. And we also have to tell it that we have a library file called turtlib text, which contains the address of the turtle unit library. Now we can run, for example, turtle test 2, which is a simple program that only draws a square on the screen to show that bitmap graphics is at all possible. We can run turtle test 1, which is a program that draws a tree on the screen. If we specify the tree has a length of 10, an angle of 10, and a depth of 5, we will get a tree that looks like this. It draws pretty quickly. If we instead say we have a length of 10, an angle of 20, a depth of 6, we'll get a wider tree. If we say we have a length of 10, an angle of 5, a depth of 6, we'll get a narrow tree. And of course, if we use a length of 12, an angle of 20, and a depth of 8, we will get a pretty big tree. By entering 0, 0, and 0, the program stops. The next demo will be a program that something went wrong there, obviously. Execute. Turtle test 10, a program which draws a diagram on the screen. The diagram shows samples of a random number generator. One is just an average of all values sampled, and the other one is filtered with moving average. You can say with a length of 10. So the first black line is just the average of the sampled values from the random number generator. It should be close to 50% when it's finished. The other one is the moving average with filter length of 10. You can see at the beginning of the line that the white line is black, and this is because the white line is written in underwrite mode, so it does not change the color if the color has already been defined. We can do a new drawing with 20 as the filter length. In this particular case, red is the background color, and the line being drawn now changes the foreground color to black. The line being drawn now changes the foreground color to white, but only if it is in transparent. If it has already been set to something else, it's left alone. So that's why it will go under the existing. We can do it once more. 5 as a filter length. More variations now with a shorter filter. And that's it. This was bitmap graphics using a Turtlegraphic units on the TI-9948.